I know y'all can see a little bit better now. I had to turn the outside light on, that way you could actually see the trees moving. That light line right there was swinging back and forth a while ago. You see it moving a little bit right now, but it was moving really bad a while ago. The wind's starting to get up a little bit now. Y'all hear all those frogs? Those frogs are enjoying this weather. The rain's calmed down just enough for me to come out here to do a quick video. You can see my crepe myrtle moving pretty good. And here comes the rain again. The wind is blowing hard enough for my phone to move in my hand. Y'all see how wet my hair is already just from me standing out here? That wind's getting up. I am safe, y'all. I'm here at my back door, so I can just walk back and just walk right back in the house. The wind's starting to get up a little bit now, and it's starting to rain a little bit harder. But I hope all y'all stay safe during this hurricane. Stay in. Use your head. Don't get out there and go and try to get bread and milk and everything. You might go without electricity. And here comes the rain. Thank you, Lord, for the rain. Please keep us all safe. Whew. Y'all have a great night.